I just love this whole unfiltered experience because yeah, the same expressions that I would have given, the same difficulties I would have faced on my own, I get to like document it so that yeah, anybody can benefit from it. So yesterday I got an Argent X wallet, and then today I'm just thinking, what am I going to do with this wallet? So basically told us to explore Statknet apps. So for me to explore these apps, it means I need to get the resources I need to explore them, because you don't get exploring Web3 applications just like that. So my thought process is basically I'm going to find out how to get testnet stack, right? So this is the first time I'm trying to do this, and I'm just going to go on to search for ETH. Oh god, come on, how to get okay, and then it's going to be okay. There's a testnet first set. I'm seeing Starknet the Moralis, but I'm going to look for how I can get it from like a Starknet website or a Starknet product. So I'm seeing Argent blog here, but it's just a blog. So, but I'm just going to check it out, and then it's saying quick summary. Okay, so then it's giving me this. Then I'm going to go to that, and I also guess I still need to have my VPN on for me to access this. It's actually on. Then there's a bigger problem. There's a bigger problem. If with my Goerli's, okay, I think Goerli is down. Yeah, I think Goerli has been deprecated a long time, so that I can choose from. So first I dot paradigm dot okay, let me try this one. I don't know, of recent getting testnet tokens like got harder. I'm not sure why. So sign up with Twitter. You see, there was a time when you just come, put your wallet address, and that's it. But now you have to like authenticate with an app that is credible. Sometimes you need to even have a percentage of the mainnet token itself. So I think I've experienced that with getting testnet ether, but I just hope getting testnet stack isn't so stressful. So I'm going to sign in with my Twitter. So let me check something. Okay, this is okay. So I think I need to do something before I even proceed. Okay, I'm seeing facet of paradigm XYZ, right? Because I need to make sure that I am on a safe URL, because in this Web3, if you're not always double checking the website you're on, there's a big problem. So now enter your Ethereum address to receive token. Wait, bootstrap your testnet wallet. I basically want let me across 4 testnets at once. So I want to be sure that this is, you need 2 things before you can get testnet ETH for Starknet layer 1. Okay, Starknet from layer 1. All right. Okay, now this makes sense, because Starknet is scaling Ethereum, which is a layer 1. So it's telling me that I need 2 things before I can get testnet ETH for Starknet from layer 1. So a wallet like Metamask or Ethereum, an Argent X wallet. So we already checked this because I have an Argent X wallet, and I also expect you to have that. If you don't, I already have a video where I went through that, so I'll link it in the description. So if you've not gotten that yet, you can get it. So okay, we are right on track. So I'm going to go back or better still, I'm going to come to my extensions, and then with my Argent X, it should be here. Yeah, this is it. I think I want to pin it. Then from here, I'm going to copy my wallet address. So I have, before you continue, please save your recovery phrase. I'm not sure I want to do that now. Or better still, let me do it. It's not like I'll be using this. Never share recovery phrase. So now what's my password again? Okay, so I think I'm just going to go through this process, but I won't continue using this wallet because I'm definitely going to be showing the wallets, the seed phrase, or better still, I'll cover it up either ways. Click to reveal seed phrase. Okay, so now this makes it even easier for me. I think I just want to copy, and then okay, I'm just going to copy it and then maybe save it later after this video, but you need to write it down. Better still, just save it on a code, something that is cold. And what I mean by something that is cold is something that is not actively connected to the internet, because it's more prone to be stolen when it's connected to the internet. So I don't advise saving it in your cloud, maybe your Google Drive, because it's risky. So if you're working with a wallet address that you know that you want to store funds, like real mainnet funds, then I don't advise saving it on anything that is hot. So I've understand, I have saved it, and then I'm going to continue. So I'm just going to copy and then come here, then paste and expect drip on additional networks. Okay, beside query. Oh, come on. Oh God, why is it saying invalid address? I know this Starknet address is a lot more longer than the normal Ethereum address, so I guess that's why it's saying invalid address. So now what do I do? So now this is why this is an unfiltered experience, because okay, let me see. Okay, funding your layer 1 Metamask wallet. Okay, so now this is making sense. So it means I need to get this layer 1 testnet token for using my a conventional layer 1 wallets like Metamask, Trust wallets, all these guys that have like 20 bytes of address, right? 40 characters plus the OX. Then I think I'm just going to, I have Metamask already, so I'm just going to quickly grab. Why is Metamask not coming up? Okay, I need to log into. So I'm just going to, although I have some testnet ether here, but yeah, for someone who doesn't have it, I'm going to go through this process. Then I'm going to come back. I think I want to close this. I'm going to come back here. Is it here? Here actually. I'm going to come back here and then paste this guy, and then I want to claim. I just hope that unable to request drip, please try again later. So now this is not cool. Network details. So donate. I don't even have anything to donate yet. So I'm looking for so coming back here. So what I'm kind of getting from this whole thing is I need to get this ether in my conventional wallet. Then after I've done that, I'll bridge it to my Statknet wallet. But now I'm getting test ether, like I mentioned, it is just like I knew that this whole thing will get to this. I know getting testnet ether is kind of not straightforward. Like you have to meet a lot of checks. Okay, so I know that I used to get this test ether from, what's the name of this? Okay, I think I just search for get test ETH. Testnet ETH. Alchemy. I just hope Alchemy can give me some. But then you need to just pass unnecessary checks. Ethereum Sepolia Facet. I think I want to go with this. Since Statknet is scaling Ethereum, then I am guessing this my wallet address will not pass the check because I don't think I have mainnet ether on it. But let's see. Do this, guys. Then next, bicycle. This is even a bicycle. This is a motorcycle. I think I want to skip traffic lights. Next, should better go through. I don't have strength. Come on now. All this to just get small ether. God, keeps coming up. Is there any other fire hydrant? Yes. Okay, moment of truth. To receive it, your wallet must have a minimum balance of. Okay, I think I have a little ether in my Chrome wallet, but I think I'm on Chrome strike. Chrome has just been something else. So I'm just going to come here and copy my wallet address on Chrome. I don't even know, this Metamask logo is looking like they applied eyeshadow. I don't know. The fox is like he got a makeover. So I'm just going to go with this first one. I think that's the one that has okay, I just hope this works. Just hope. This testnet though, before you people will start thinking, this is base testnet, so it's not real money. It's not real money. So going to come here and put it. So I believe I have tiny change on this wallet. Stairs. This is a stair. Verify. Okay. God help me, please. Oh, come on. Oh, God. To receive Sepolia ETH, your wallet must have a minimum of this. So how do I do this now? I guess I need to look for must I even get it on Ethereum? Because this thing is saying a layer 1, but I use Starknet is killing Ethereum, so I have to get it from Ethereum. That's what I'm thinking. Testnet ETH. So Now I've tried Alchemy, I've tried Paradigm, none is working. Quick Note, all these guys, they're kind of, I know I've tried Quick Note sometime. I just hope I'm able to get Testnet ETH in this video, because this thing can be frustrating. It can. So I want to try this on, maybe I'll just, let me even switch to Ethereum and see, because this is the address that is most likely to have Ethereum balance, and if it doesn't, is there anything here? I think Ethereum, Metamask have a, alright, I actually have nothing here. Okay, it's actually on basement nets that I have some change. So what to do? What do I do? What do I do? So it means I probably have to this is really not friendly for someone who is trying to get started, because for some reason I must have some Ethereum. I don't want to get to the point where my only option is having to buy some mainnet Ethereum, because the gas fee is crazy. Okay, so now I don't want to start getting frustrated, because tried Alchemy, Testnet crypto facet. If you need more, like you can mine the various. Yeah, I remember that there is a place I can mine it. Yeah, I remember. So let me look for that. Mine, I think I've done that one time. Mine ETH. Sepolia proof of work facet. So now I'm not even sure what I'm clicking on, because I don't okay, it looks like it, but I just want to make sure. Okay, let me just see what's going to go on here. I just want to get a tiny bit, but my problem, I just hope bridging this thing will not cost a lot of ETH, because so from here I'm going to copy my wallet address again. Maybe just open it here. Where is this? So that I can just always get it when I need it. Okay, I'm going to copy it, and then here I'm going to enter my wallet address. I'm a human. I just hope this one just goes through without, and luckily for me, click all images containing the same animal. 1 2 3 1 2. Okay, this shown in the sample image. Okay, now I don't know what I'm doing, so I have to choose just dogs to, there's a dog, then okay, that works. So I'll start mining. So what it simply means is that, okay, oh my god, you can verify your unique identity and increase your score using Gitcoin passport. Okay, Come on. I think I'll have to go back here. Because I know I've done some mainnet transactions with my other wallet. So hopefully it meets the criteria, because come on. So it just simply means that if you don't have an Ethereum address that has at least done some level of transaction, or at least have a minimum balance, you're going to have probably much more trouble than I'm having now, and that's not cool. Hopefully I would be able to at least mine, because I have to work now to get it. I was just going to receive, but I don't even meet the criteria to receive. But I just hope this one works. Now I have to go through captcha again. Pause. Okay, this was faster. God please. Thank you. Oh my God. This is not okay. Let me see. Its score R50 NFT. Wait, passport score detail. So what's this? Is my ENS expired? Come on. Verify manually. Hey God. Refresh passports. Let me see. I know I've done some Gitcoin. So upload Gitcoin passport just in verification. Can verify your unique identity and increase your Gitcoin score. So what score? What's the score that I need? Passport score is actually 0. That's bad. Sweet Lord. I'm just guessing that this video is going to be very long. God. Because all of these, oh God, signing with Ethereum, which account is this? Let me copy this to my Chrome, because that's where I have God. I think I've dealt more on Base, which is just a layer 2, but Ethereum just 1 or 2 times, because transaction fee is crazy. Nganakwija bikono. So you see, this is all you have to go through. Like, this is crazy, because I know getting testnet ETH can be something else. It can be something else. It might be easier to get layer 2 direct facet, but is it not even possible to get? Does Statknet don't have a facet? Because I don't want to believe. I honestly do not want to believe that Starknet doesn't have a facet. Okay, I guess this is what I should have done first. I just hope there is just an easier way, other than all this merry-go-round I'm experiencing. Ecosystem. This section highlights key ecosystem project and license. Okay, so full node and RPC provider, Sepolia facets. Okay, so this is promising. What am I even doing? God. So this is what I should be. Starknet Foundation first. So I believe this is opening a new app. So RPC is basically the one you use for in your code to do the whole initiating transactions, signing and all of that. But the facet is just where you go to fetch some. So Basecamp, I've registered. So if you've not, you can. Then if you're like me trying to just explore, then you can register. I'm going to come here, and then I think at this point I have to go back here and then copy my wallet address again. You see, I got frustrated to the point where I'm not using two browsers at the same time. So hopefully, I just want to get Stark because I want to get. Okay, I'll just get both because I guess I'll be needing both. You can request 150 Stark every 24 hours. 150 is a lot. So thank you, Jesus. But let me see if I can also get some ETH, and then ETH. I think I can get. So why is it not highlighting? Okay, you can request 0.02 ETH every 24 hours. So this really means that I just requested for 150 Stark. It means that I cannot request for 0.002 ETH. So what I'm trying to get out from this is if I got the ETH, it means I was going to go do the bridging. But now that I just got the Stark, then I believe Stark is the coin for Starknet, obviously. So I might not really need this ETH now. So now that I've gotten my Stark tokens, I guess I need to end this video, because if it's go more than this, this video is going to be very long. So yeah, let me even confirm, because I didn't even confirm if I received it. And so this is Chrome. I'm going to go back to my base. I'm expecting to see some. Wait, this is mainnet, so I have to go to Cheerful Chick. Okay, now this is not cool. See, now I'm not getting anything. Has the transaction confirmed? Where is that place again? Is it here? We should not just raise my hope and then lower it like in a matter of seconds. It's not cool. Honestly, it's not cool. Where's the... Okay, now that's why I just want like sticking to. I didn't even see the... Oh God. I didn't even see the... I was expecting it to log so that I can just click the transaction. So now, I think I'm going to look for a Starknet Explorer. So I want to confirm if I really got StarkScan. Voyager, I think I've heard about Voyager more than StarkScan. Forgive me if I'm wrong, but StarkScan seems to be, the way we have Etherscan, Basescan, we have where are they? Yeah, you get what I'm saying. All this scan. So I believe Etherscan should be like the main. I believe StarkScan should be like the main explorer for Starknet. But regardless, I just want to be able to check So I'm going to come here and copy my wallet address. Just want to be able to check if I really got, if the transaction has gone through. Yeah, Starknet should be fast now. So if it actually sent me some token, then I should have received. Oh, come on. What's going on now? So there's no result in Voyager. So I think I have to go back to StackScan to see if there is any result. So if there's no result, it means that I didn't really get anything. That brings me back to square one. Oh my goodness. This thing shouldn't just Statknet Explorer. So what's it saying? Could not find item with this. Am I on mainnet? Okay. Let me go to Sepolia. The same thing. Does life need to be this hard? Like, does this need to be this hard? So at least it should. Is it that it's not recognizing my? Wait, I want to get something. Is my mainnet address different from my? Now that I'm using these two browsers, it's just so this one stopped in DAE5. I'm still in mainnet actually. DAE5, yeah. So wait, what's going on here? Sepolia, you have no account in Sepolia yet. God, what is going on? What I was expecting that what's it called again? That I'll just have at least one account in mainnet, one account in Sepolia and DevConnect. I don't know what this one is for, but we'll find out. So it means for Sepolia I have to add an account and I have to choose between standard and smart account, recommended, designed for those who value security and ease of use. So I think I just want to be going on with my standard account because we are doing basic things. I want to be able to know when I would really need a smart account, right? And then I'll have to transition. Not like I cannot transition now, but I just want to get to the point where I really need it. So just because we are doing exploration, we just want to take it step by step. But I know that we are going to need it because shout out to Paul. He actually gave me the response that smart account, if you're going to be stockpiled, then you're going to need a smart account because it offers more features and all of that. Yeah, but I really appreciate that response. And then we're just going to go on with the smart account, the standard account, until we get to the point where we need a smart account. So it's going to help us like know when exactly do we need this. So now, okay, so this is not cool. So let me see if I can still get with this address, I just believe because it seems like I've already exhausted my chances of getting some tests. So I just want to, what's this browser again? I just want to close this. Just close all the things that I'm not using so that it doesn't even get me worked up more. So this is and then for this guy, this is where we are doing, I don't need this guy now. So I just hope that I'm able to still get some. Okay. So I just want to make sure this is my testnet address 99F, so that I don't get to make the same mistake again. This is Sepolia, this is 99F. So yeah, let's shoot. So now I just shoot my shots. Thank you. Okay, let me quickly click on this so I don't miss it. Okay, stack scan, you see. So just like every other blockchain where you have ether scan, you have BSC scan, you have base scan, stack scan also follow the same convention, which makes sense. So let's so I didn't really have to go through all of that, but I'm still getting none here. It means I just wait for, do I have to wait for so long? It's not supposed to like be fast, you get? Oh god, I'm just worried about the length of this video. Like, I'm really worried. I'm worried. I actually just thought the video was ending when I got that first transfer, but unfortunately for me, I didn't know I had to create a separate Sepolia account. You know, the way it works in Metamask is when you create your wallet, it kind of have the same wallet's addresses. You can use it across several chains. You don't really necessarily have to come to a specific chain and create a new wallet for you. So this is actually a new experience, and then we got to experience it together for the first time. So I just love this whole unfiltered experience, because yeah, the same expressions that I would have given, the same difficulties I would have faced on my own, I get to like document it so that yeah, anybody can benefit from it. This is a problem, because why is it still this way? This is okay. I think I'm the one that has been missing it, because I'm seeing 150 stack here already. So I'm not sure why it's not amounting to a dollar value, but yeah, at least I can see 150 stack. So now I can comfortably end this video, because we've achieved something, right? We got from the point of just having we came from the point of just having an Argent X wallet that had 0 stack, and now we've gotten to the point where we have 150 stack. So in my next video, I'm just going to be exploring what I can do with my stack, and to know if I still need some Ethereum, you're going to find out. So this is Amarachi right here, and until next time, peace out. Bye.